Hey guys, welcome back to John Dodd Drinks. Today we're gonna do something a little bit different. Today I thought it would be really fun to recreate a drink from Tower of Fantasy. Tower of Fantasy is a gacha style game similar to Genshin Impact that I've been enjoying the past couple months. It came out this summer, and one of the many features in this game is cooking food. You cook food so you can restore your health, you give yourself buffs before you go and do content with your friends, and I thought it would be a really fun idea to recreate one of the drinks in-game and try to make it the way I think it would be in real life. And hopefully we get something that tastes really great. The first one that I wanted to make today is called the Thundercloud Blueberry Soda. In-game to make this you need blueberry jam, 2 honey, and soda water. Now of course we're gonna adjust that a little bit, we're gonna make a cocktail, but we're gonna try to stick to that flavor as much as we can. So for this drink, you will need a bottle of Creme de Myrtles or any other blueberry liqueur that you can find local to you. The next bottle you will need some Empress Gin or some other purple gin, or even purple vodka if you have that. And just to help add an extra layer of depth of flavor, we're gonna go with Creme de Violette. This has a lot of floral notes and a very beautiful, vibrant purple color. Some lime juice to add some citrus, tartness, and brightness. Additionally, we're gonna stick to the recipe in game. We're gonna use a little bit of honey, and of course, to top it off, soda water. Anyways, let's start mixing. Now, the very first thing I'm going to add to my shaker is half an ounce of lime juice. Next, I'm choosing to go with 1.5 ounces of our purple gin. Empress Gin is actually made with butterfly pea flowers, so when it reacts with the citrus, this is actually going to turn pink, but that's why we're going to add just a little bit of Creme de Violette to bring that color back down. We're going to go with 3/4 ounce. And lastly, for our blueberry, we're going to add half an ounce of Creme de Myrtles. Oh, we can't forget that the recipe in-game says to use honey, so we're going to use honey too. Not a whole lot, this can really throw off the drink, so we're just going to go with like a bar spoon. Okay, next we're gonna give this a nice quick shake. And to our glass, we're gonna put 6 ounces of club soda. It's important you put the club soda first because you want all these bubbles to rise up through the drink instead of just pouring it on top. 6 ounces of soda water, and then we're gonna fine strain our ingredients and make a lovely soda. Now for garnish, we're gonna add some fresh mint and fresh blueberries and a straw, and that will be our drink. Okay, let's give our drink a try. Now right off the bat, this is extremely bubbly. There's a reason we fine strained this so there's not a lot of ice, because I wanted this to be extra fizzy, and also the drink in the game, you can see there's no ice in it, so I thought we'd try to stick to that. There's a nice burst of freshness from the lime juice. It's definitely a little strong. You taste all the alcohol in there. It's just enough sweetness. Creme de Violette and both Creme de Myrtles have a lot of sugar content, plus the little bit of honey. Look-wise, I would have liked if it came out a little bit more purple. The Creme de Myrtles is a little bit dark. It's like a very, very dark purple, but it's sort of essential because we want that blueberry taste. You get just the tiniest hint of honey. Overall, I think this is a really good drink. Anyways, that is the Thundercloud Blueberry Soda. I have a couple other drinks planned. I want to do the strawberry soda and as well as the nut tea. So if you enjoyed this video, please like, and if you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, cheers.